Rotondo lives in the historic centre of Bari in Puglia, southern Italy. Like dozens of women here, she makes and sells pasta from her home. And she and her daughter are showing us how they make cavatelli.
Rosa Rotondo, sono di Bari, devo preparare cavatelli con la ricotta dura, sughetto con pancetta e ricotta dura.
First, Rosa makes a dough using semolina flour and warm water. Then she kneads it vigorously to make a firm but pliable dough. It's best to keep this under a cloth to stop it from drying out. The women roll out ropes of pasta. They cut a small piece of dough and pull a knife across it to form an oval, curved shape. Cavatelli means little hollows in Italian. Then they use a knife and pull the blade across the dough to form an oval, curved shape. You can make cavatelli using your finger or thumb, but Rosa prefers a knife as it's quicker. Using this method, they make kilos of cavatelli and orecchiette every morning. Because it's humid, Rosa uses a fan to help dry the pasta. A dustpan makes an excellent shovel. Rosa fries onion and pancetta before adding tomato passata to make a sauce. Ricotta duro is a salty, hard version of fresh ricotta, and it's the preferred finishing touch for pasta in southern Italy.
Il piatto è pronto. Ok.
Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.